What's up, everybody? My name is Fasim. I'm from Philadelphia. I run out bouncy houses, all sizes, from small to large to water house to water slides. I have it all. If you're in the Philadelphia area, surrounding counties, even New Jersey, and you need bouncy house services for any event, block party, birthday, anything you need, just hit me up at my Instagram or write me in the comments for my contact info, and I'll be gladly to send it to y'all. Thank you, guys.